Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First, let's press the lower button on the left side of the watch to open the menu. Then use the upper and lower button on the right side to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu, select the settings option, and once you select it, press the middle button to enter. Here, select the general settings option and press the middle button to enter. Now scroll down by using the lower button right here, find the flight mode option, and once you select it, by default it will be off. But if you want to enable the airplane mode, press the middle button, select on, and press the middle button to confirm. As you can see, the flight mode is enabled, and if you go back to watch face by pressing the lower button on the left side, you will see the icon on the watch face which indicates that the airplane mode is enabled. And to disable it, you need to open the menu again, go to the settings, general settings, find the flight mode, press the middle button, select off, press the middle button, and the mode will be disabled. And then if you go back to watch face, you will see that the icon is gone from the watch face, which indicates that the airplane mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.